Hi guys, so here we have a very important sum from the perspective of your examination, okay, class 10 CBSE board. So this is the LHS left hand side, which we have to prove it equals to 2 sec square theta, right? So how are we going to go about this? Okay, let's get started. Now the only probable step I feel is that we should be taking an LCM of these two first. Okay, since they are unlike, so let's put it this way. Okay, all right. Since we already have this, we need to multiply this, okay, with cosec theta. Here the reverse. This multiplied by this is cosec square theta, and this as cosec theta, right? Multiplied by a minus 1. Below, we'll keep it as it is. Now, very clearly, we see that there is a plus cosec theta and a minus cosec theta, which we can easily cancel. Okay. So, what are we left with in the numerator? 2 of cosec square theta. Alright. And below we have cosec theta minus 1 and cosec theta plus 1, which means a minus b, a plus b. Okay. So we can conveniently write cosec square theta minus 1 square, which is equal to 1. Why so? I have to give the reason. A minus b and a plus b equals to a square minus b square. Okay guys? So what next? We have to be heading towards 2 sec square theta, alright? So here what we can see is that as per the identity, okay, we know that cosec square theta minus 1, okay, so let me first write over here, since cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta, right? So can we not write 2 cosec square theta over cot square theta? Alright? You get it? Now, what next? Okay, so we know that cosec square theta is equal to what? Since cosec square theta is equal to the reciprocal of sine square theta, isn't it? So substituting this with this, what do we get? 2 over sine square theta, and we already have a cot below, alright? 1 upon cot square theta, correct? since we know that, okay, cot square theta is equal to cos square theta over sin square theta, isn't it? So our next step would be to write 2 sine square theta, and for this we have cos square theta over sin square theta, isn't it? Why? Since cot square theta is equal to cos square theta over sin square theta. Alright? So when we put it in the numerator, it gets topsy-turvy and flips, okay, its denominator to the top. The denominator had been sin square theta, correct? Having got this, we know clearly that these two can be cancelled. So we are now left with 2 over cos square theta. Alright? And since we know that, okay, 1 upon cos square theta is equal to sec square theta. So we can therefore write this as sec square theta and 2 here. Alright guys? So hence proved, okay, that what? LHS is equal to RHS. Correct guys? So in case you have any confusion, okay, do ask me in the comment box. Okay, I shall answer them and take over the topic once again if needed. Alright guys, so all the best for your exams. So if you like this video, do share it with your friends. Even they need to benefit. Thank you so much for watching, giving me your valuable time. So study hard. Bye bye. See you in my next video. Bye bye.